Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain.
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Oh, I'm really glad you didn't yell in my ear.
You're welcome.
Ooh. Nope, I'm not gonna do it.
Lives in a pineapple
No,
under the sea.
no. She did it.
Haha.
She did it to us.
Alright, back to Luigi's mansion. We just broke up a couple, told them to leave room for Jesus.
No, I think we unified them. They're both in our vacuum. We got a key for the other door.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there was another door in that room.
I don't like you, Ghost. I'm really bad at remembering things.
Yeah, you're pretty
I
bad.
know working.
Speaking of remembering things, let me make sure we're recording. Yep. Okay. Oh. Speak of tacky mistakes to make on a recording.
You're a tacky mistake.
But so were you.
Oh, good point.
Okay.
Oh, no!
Oh, boy.
Alright, you easy, boy. Come on, give me some real stuff here.
Oh boy.
Oh, crap.
Run. You got it flashing. You gotta show him the light.
Blinded by the light. Stuff like I don't remember the rest of the words of that song.
I don't think anyone knows the lyrics of that song.
It's too mumbly of a
We're
song.
right like a doof. That's pretty much
Oh,
how
they're
that song goes.
laughing at me.
Yeah, it's because you suck. They're telling you suck.
Mm,
So
I'm
bad.
gonna suck them up in my vacuum.
Oh, got him.
Little pink ghost.
Yeah, you are not doing well. Oh, there it is. Okay.
What do you mean?
He was just running around like not losing any lives for so long there. I spy with my little eye a button.
A button? A button? You thought you saw a button? Oh, I see a button!
You'd think Luigi would be a little more reluctant to do that in this haunted mansion by now.
Yeah.
He's just,
Maybe it had a label on it that said definitely not a trap.
Wait, I bet it does. Go back. What does it say? Oh,
It says something.
no. Okay, use X. Yeah, we can look at it. What is it? Oh, we might have to back up a little. Like, just look on the wall.
Oh, that's
Don't
right.
look in the mirror. I think we might have to back up a little. Oh, there. There it is. Nope, can't read it.
Ah,
We gotta
man.
move.
I want to know. I want to know what love is.
What does it say?
Don't push.
Don't see?
Ah.
The sign even said don't push, and Luigi was like,
That's the haunted mission. He knows. Dinger.
Danger.
I'm gonna suck it.
Batman is in danger?
I bet he's gonna come out of there.
Is Batman gonna come out of the poster?
Gotham City. Oh no, I forget how to use this thing. I should really figure that out.
There. I think you gotta get closer. Like with your feet. There you go. Ooh.
Oh, no, they button to
Well, that
push.
button doesn't say don't push.
Well, they figured you just didn't listen to instructions by now, so
Oh, yeah.
stop trying. Waste of paper. Killing trees. You know.
That was definitely a wooden sign.
Oh no! Who dares disturb our sleep?
Ah!
Oh, it's Luigi! Look, guys, Luigi's finally here. How do they know me?
It's because they kidnapped
Oh.
Mario. Oh, it's King Boo.
Oh my gosh! Already?
Everybody's grab.
Oh, because I got scared of my Poltergeist 3000.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't mess with a man with a vacuum.
Luigi, are you okay? That was them. Those are the ones who released all of the ghosts from the paintings in my gallery. Those fiends. Hiding in the mansion all along. Thanks for flushing them out, Luigi.
I'm tickled you found them. But perhaps it would have been better if you hadn't, well, let every single one escape.
Oh, yikes.
Just a thought.
We should probably come back to the lab. Alright. Young Luigi.
Your brother must have been taken by that gang of booze. Poor feller. Oh, now, don't talk crazy. They're not gonna eat the
Oh,
man.
they don't eat.
Oh, okay. There's the answer. We were discussing whether booze could eat you
But
in a
apparently
previous
no.
video, but no.
Common theory holds that boos grow in strength when they travel in numbers. They must combine their powers too. Their power likely overwhelmed your brother. Your aim is to save Mario. There's but one way to do it.
Capture each boo and slowly weaken the group's power.
Thanks, Doc.
Here on this channel, we make very strange accents that are not consistent in any way.
The Game Boy horror I gave you has a secret function. I knew it'd come in handy one day, so I developed it secretly. Kinda sketch. Kinda sus, bro.
Boo radar. Boo radar.
Flash red when something round like a boo is hidden nearby. Use and search everywhere, Luigi. Cool.
Is that like boodar?
What's boodar?
Boo radar.
Yee.
Boodar.
I don't understand why that's funny, but I'll laugh anyway.
It's not. You shouldn't laugh.
Oh, okay.
Don't laugh.
No. Feel attacked.
Shit.
He kind of waves really creepily.
Hope I see you again.
Has that always been there?
Yep.
Okay. I feel like it's suspicious. Oh, let's save.
Yeah.
Little mushroom.
That's a good idea. That's a good idea.
All right, let's go find some
Oh look,
boos.
we've got a 0 out of 50.
Ooh, we have to catch 50 boos before we get to King Boo. All right, where is my? Oh my gosh,
Well, that was adept.
you're adept. How do I look at the map again? Oh, here we go. No,
it's Y, the top button.
thank
There
you.
you go.
Sorry, folks. Didn't we get some kind of unlocked thing?
I don't think so.
Well, I guess we'll just go back to
Yeah,
where
we
we
can just
kind of
start
were.
grabbing some booze.
Where are the boos?
Oh.
Come to Luigi. What?
We gotta watch the yellow. When it turns red, just walk around and look for it.
Oh, really?
Oh. He's in the chairs? He's in the chairs. No! It's a bomb! Ooh.
There's a boo around here somewhere, though.
I think he's in the chairs again. Go! Go quick!
Aha! I am
Quick,
boo la
get
la!
Nice.
Alright. So do they show their hearts automatically?
They don't have hearts. Yeah, and you
They're
don't...
heartless monsters?
They're heartless.
Wow.
And you don't even really latch onto them.
Uh-huh.
You have to just keep track of them with with your vacuum.
So turning on all the lights in the mansion is the fastest way to find all the boos. Wouldn't you say, young
Just hey. Ooh, there's another way to save.
Yeah.
We're already at 2.46 million G's.
What's G stand for, Garrett?
No idea.
Be careful, Luigi.
Galactic Empire units.
Alright, well, looks like we're all in the clear for this room.
Yeah. Maybe in the boxes.
I'm sure
There's one. Oh, there it is.
Just call me Game Boo. Like Game Boy.
Oh,
Clever
no.
Nintendo. Where'd he go?
Oh,
Where'd he go?
there's still some more in here. Or something else.
Well, we didn't get him, that's why.
Yeah. But if we don't get them, they like run all around the mansion.
Oh, fun.
Yeah. What the heck? Where is it?
It's red, so it's gotta be here somewhere.
I'm so confused. Oh.
sure
Maybe
it
the
would've come
chair?
out better.
Try the chair.
Remembering how to move my feet.
Oh. Maybe the stack of chairs? What the heck?
The boxes that turn red.
There. Oh, it's just a ball.
Is that not worth getting?
Nope, it's just a decoy ball.
Oh, stupid.
Alright, well, we let one get away, so
Oh, darn.
now we gotta go back out and see if we can find him.
Okay. Can I jump down there?
I
That'd be kind of
wish.
fun.
That would be kind of fun.
Okay.
Alright, we're still at 1 of 50 boos. Oh boy. Should we go get the booze up in the top?
Oh
Up in
yeah,
the
good
first
idea.
floor? The first area?
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
So there's booze all over the 3. Are these the only 3 levels in the game? 1, 2, 3 doors?
I think there's 4 areas.
Okay.
Look, there's a ball under the blanket. There he is.
I am bamboo.
Bamboo. There we go. Nice.
Cool. Gotcha, bamboo.
Sweet.
Fantastic. Okay, now send me the boo and all the data you've got. Please.
Wait, so we can send the boo over like
Text message?
Game Boy texting,
I guess.
but we can't send the rest of the ghosts over
And the
Game
other
Boy
ghosts are,
texting?
like actual people, I guess.
Oh, so they deserve like the respect of being physically transported to the machine that sucks them out of the poltergeist.
Yes.
Mario.
Interesting. Nope.
Gotta help her.
Useful though. Oh, he moved. Where'd he move to? Look at that one.
Oh, just a ball.
And gold.
We like
Gold is good.
It's
Where
still
else?
kind of.
I bet it's back over there. On the right. Get him. Yeah. And then run towards the middle of the room, because they always run towards the middle. Oh boy. Oh!
Oh! What is it doing with its arms?
It's trying to get away.
Little
Penguin arms?
Yeah,
That's
kind of what
about
it
it?
looks like.
Penguin boo arms?
Careful, Luigi. You
Boo
don't say,
penguin.
Doc. What can I do with this?
Nothing.
Pick it up and bounce it?
You could, I guess.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Ooh, it disappears.
Bouncy, bouncy ball.
Oh, I bet there's a lot in here.
Colder. Warmer. Clothes, maybe? Oh, there. No, just a ball.
Stupid ball. I bet you're right on the clothes, though.
No. Maybe that middle one? The right one. There, it's the right one. There we go. Game Boo Advance? I think Game Boo was the other one that got away.
Uh-huh. You say we're like a leopard on the hunt?
A leopard on the hunt of
Wow.
ghosts?
Alright, looks like we're all clear in here.
Yeah.
Oh, we already saved. Sorry, Toad, I don't need you.
I don't know. I think since we cleared this whole little wing, that might be good.
Yeah, awesome.
All right.
See you next time.
See you never. You'll probably see us though.
Probably.
Bye.